Welcome to our modern bathroom design guide. Let's explore how to create a sleek, functional, and beautiful space. Natural lighting is crucial. A skylight paired with glossy tiles instantly makes the room feel bright, airy, and spacious. Floating vanities and wall-hung toilets maximize your floor space, creating a clean, minimalist, and highly practical look. Consider an open, wet room concept. Seamless floors and frameless glass partitions offer ultimate luxury and accessibility. Smart storage is essential. Floor-to-ceiling cabinets keep your countertops completely clutter-free and beautifully organized. Blend organic textures with modern finishes. Warm wood and textured stone add character to sleek, contemporary hardware. Oversized mirrors are a powerful design tool. They effortlessly double the perceived space and reflect light into every corner. Oversized mirrors are a powerful design tool. They effortlessly double the perceived space and reflect light into every corner. A monochromatic gray palette offers sophisticated calm. Use dramatic hidden lighting to highlight beautiful wall textures. Symmetrical layouts bring a sense of order. Paired with warm lighting and brushed gold accents, it feels incredibly luxurious. Create a bold focal point with a dark geometric textured wall, contrasting beautifully with a warm oak vanity and an LED mirror. A barrier-free wet room design creates a seamless, expansive feel. It is highly practical and incredibly easy to clean. Wall-hung toilets with concealed tanks maximize your floor space, creating a highly breathable, minimalist, and hygienic look. Position a freestanding bathtub near a large window to maximize natural daylight, turning your bathroom into a tranquil retreat. Integrate a smart mirror with touch-controlled LED lighting and a digital display to bring ultimate convenience to your routine. Recessed wall niches inside the shower provide a brilliant, space-saving storage solution that keeps your products organized. Layer your lighting. Combine functional mirror lights, recessed ceiling spots, and warm pendant fixtures to add depth and mood. Add a personal touch with a stylish herringbone tile pattern on your shower wall, paired perfectly with large format floor tiles. Prioritize large windows for natural ventilation and install a subtle ceiling exhaust fan to keep the space dry and feeling fresh. Embrace dark tones like charcoal gray for floors and walls. Pair it with hidden LED lights for a moody, sophisticated atmosphere. Install a heated towel rack. It adds a touch of daily luxury, keeps your towels dry, and warms the bathroom beautifully. Dual shower heads are a practical upgrade. Combine a relaxing rainfall experience with a functional handheld wand. Large format tiles drastically reduce grout lines. They create a seamless, expansive look that is incredibly easy to clean. Large format tiles drastically reduce grout lines. They create a seamless, expansive look that is incredibly easy to clean. Hide your electrical outlets inside vanity drawers. It keeps your countertops completely free of messy cords and clutter. A skylight placed directly above the shower floods the space with dramatic natural light, creating an invigorating routine. Fluted glass partitions offer the perfect balance. They provide essential privacy while allowing soft light to flow freely. Terrazzo flooring adds instant character and texture, perfectly balancing ultra-minimalist walls and modern fixtures. Recessed medicine cabinets sit flush with the wall, providing massive hidden storage while maintaining a sleek look. Underfloor heating systems eliminate the shock of cold tiles. It is an unseen luxury that makes your bathroom comfortable. Incorporating humidity-loving plants breathes life into your bathroom, purifying the air and adding a vibrant pop of color. Create a stunning focal point by elevating your freestanding tub on a wooden platform against a richly textured accent wall. A hidden tile insert linear drain maintains a flawless, uninterrupted floor surface, offering the ultimate minimalist aesthetic. Don't shy away from statement lighting. A modern chandelier over the bathtub instantly elevates the room's luxurious feel. Contrast rough, organic wood textures with incredibly smooth, dark stone surfaces to give your bathroom a rich, tactile depth. Built-in, concealed laundry hampers keep your bathroom completely spotless, organized, and free from everyday visual clutter. Separated dual vanities provide personal space and create a highly symmetrical, high-end look against a dramatic accent wall. Introduce moisture-resistant artwork and subtle decor to transform your bathroom from a purely functional room into a curated retreat. Switchable smart glass instantly transitions from clear to frosted, offering the ultimate modern solution for instant shower privacy. By combining sleek lines, smart storage, and realistic materials, you can easily create a modern bathroom that is both beautiful and functional.